Hey Digicians, we are exploring some great solutions through which we can set up our own digital business to make a permanent source of earning. We are exploring ready to use the script so that we can install the scripts at our own hosting and run a solution. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up a email marketing solution business. So you are going to email marketing solution provider, and as you know, if it is a digital campaign, digital marketing campaign, email marketing is an integral part of every campaign. So it is always on high demand and it can be a good source of income if you are presenting and selling it properly. So here is the solution, and the solution name is Acelle. So Acelle is an email marketing web application and it is working good with all existing clients, and it has got very good number of reviews and good number of sales as well. It is one of the Envato bestseller, and the code script is available at Code Canyon through the video description link. Acelle Mail is a self-hosted, open source, full-featured and easy-to-use email marketing web application, and it is written in PHP Laravel that lets you send high volume of marketing emails via your own server through other email services like SMTP providers. So Acelle Mail comes with a fully open source product, and you can even customize as per your requirements. So it can be a great choice if you are targeting to set up a digital business, and you can explore other solutions as well on this channel. So before we start our discussion, and I'm going to show you the admin part and the email sending part. So this is the admin login. I would like to welcome all new visitors on this channel, and I'm thankful to all existing subscribers of this channel. So new visitors, please subscribe this channel. You are definitely going to get a solution through which you can either set up your digital business or you can start working smartly, more smartly. Yes. So this is the dashboard of Acelle Mail, and the dashboard is showing some basic things. I mean the basic stats, what is going inside the system. Since it is a white label solution, you can definitely rename the solution and send it to the prospective client, or you can make new customers at this platform and allow them to send emails, and you can collect money for the service that you are providing. First of all, let us overview the setting screen, because this is one time and first step that we can do. So it is somehow knocked out, and so the setting screen is going to give us all the facility to change the site name and the site keyword and basic things through which we can white label the solution and make it for our own uses, like registration captcha is here, the builder booth and the invoice number format and all such things, so that we may set up the basic things, like we can change the site name and make it with our brand name. Similarly, the system email can be set up here, and this is going to be a mail configuration. And are you sure send mail as the appropriately? Okay, that is fine. So what mail system is going to work is need to be set here, and for the system URLs, we can configure the URLs as per our requirement. However, all is configured already, and you can definitely track the URLs, like unsubscribe URLs can be used, or this is for email solution. Background job. So this is, please specify the PHP executable path in your system. So it is just all like configuration things, and upgrade manager is also here in case we need an upgrade to the solution. This is the basic settings. OAuth is authorization for like login settings, like you login with Google or login with Facebook. So this is OAuth setting, and we can go for further setting to offer the login with Facebook or login with Google. Template gallery is a thing where we can set up templates, like email templates are here, LinkedIn So we can create unlimited templates here, and we can even use the pro builder or the preview, how the template is looking like if this is a template of email. This is very important because email solution is basically based on templates and all. So this is the template, and like this, and the below are base templates available for all users registered in the application. When it comes to compose an email, users can upload and create new email template from the base one. So these are some pre-made templates, and user can create their own templates as well. Next is form template. So in email campaigns, it is campaigns, it is necessary to have subscription form or the form that the data that we want to collect. So the form templates are here. Of course, we can edit the template, and the pro builder can be used for editing the template. So this is the thing. Okay, so I'm coming back. I'm not taking much time because we can do all the things from the admin panel, and as a super admin, you are going to control all these things, and users are going to control their things at their own. The custom email pages, how the pages are going to be previewed, like upload profile form, upload profile success page. So like this is custom email and pages. Below are the default email templates and pages used by the application. So this is being used by the application. You are users whenever the users are interacting with the application, the templates will be used. Further, the details can be edited. Like if we are editing the details, we can edit the template details here, and further short code can be used for changing the parameters what the things are to be connected. Simple, but yes, we need to do all these things. And we can set the languages in which we are providing the solutions. There can be multiple languages at a time, and the translate option is also here. Payment gateway, of course, the very important part, because we are making all this solution for earning. So Stripe is well available here, and once you have the Stripe account, you can configure it, and even you can have the offline payment, just in case if you don't have any payment gateway solution approved as of now. You can start the solution. Later you can configure the online gateways. So offline and online payment gateways are here, and if it is India, if it is the solution is running in India, Razor Pay is also here. So it is a very prominent payment gateway being used in India. So all settings are very simple. You can do at your own. And the plugins. So you can have new plugins. I mean, these are some add-on features in case if you want to add. I mean, if you are writing any code and you can upload the plugins. So this is for basically development purposes, and all the available plugins are here. So you can enable the available plugins, like if you are willing to empower the application with tons of awesome plugins. So these are community plugins like HCAPTCHA for Acelle Mail, and the chat GPT integration is also here. So if you want to integrate the chat GPT with the solution, it can be enabled directly from here. Report is here, like if as you are the email solution providers, and the reports can be generated and overview here. So this is demo stuff. This is why it is not showing all the things. But yes, all these things are available, like delivery log, bounce log, the feedback log, open log, the click log, and unsubscribe log. So like delivery log can be loaded here, and what are the delivery status of mail can be seen here. Like if any mail gets failed, it can be tracked here, and when the mail was sent, and the sending server like SendGrid was used, or the whatever gateway has been used, like local SMTP if you have configured, or the SendGrid or Amazon servers. So you can configure all the servers. So accordingly, the mailing system will start work. So remember, when you are setting up all these basic settings, so main configuration is the system email, and the send mail is a mail transfer agent, that is MTA, that is installed on the hosting server. And sending via SendMail is a free and easy. However, make sure you configure your SendMail program correctly. So you need to have a email email based hosting, like the hosting through which you can allow multiple and bulk mails. So it can be restricted at your hosting provider in. So it is very important to note that you have to configure the same mail at your VPS server or dedicated server, whatever you are taking, or SendMail should be already there if it is shared hosting. Or you can even configure the SMTP just in case if you are selling the mail, offering the mail solution through SMTP. Up to limited extent, it can be used. So you can configure the SMTP details here, and further the system will use SMTP as you are providing. So it is totally configurable how you want to proceed. Now all settings are here, and report we just overviewed, notification can be handled. I'm coming back to the dashboard and will proceed for showing the customer and rest of the things. So this is customer screen where the customer has subscribed your solution. Like you can add a direct new customers and you can check the existing customer details and the sending credits, what has been allowed to them, and how many credit they have already used. You can add a new customer directly at your instance and you can put the basic details and you can allow them to log in into the system and they will start using the solution. You can create subscription plan for customers, and these are some subscription plan already created. You can add a new program and you can enable the recurring plans as well. So these are some default plans and you can I believe okay, so these are some plans that you can offer. This feature allows you to monitor the details of your customer subscription. You can approve the payment, enable and disable this subscription. You can also create new subscription for your existing customers. Okay, so these are the plans. Subscription is different thing, plans is different. So you can create new plans, of course, what plans you are willing to offer, like free plans, standard, premium, essential, and you can always create new plans. And in the plan setting, you can define how many sending credits you are allowing, and like which sending server you are willing to configure here. Like if it is a plan, premium plan, so Amazon Web Service SMTP delivery can be configured. Like sending server can be selected here, and I'm going to show you, this is very important. So these are some sending servers that is already created. So SendGrid is a very, very popular, like, and main Amazon SMTP is also here. You can also detail sending server. So there is a question when and where you are going to configure the sending servers. This is the screen where you are going to configure the sending servers, and you can add a new sending server as well. So the main SMTP is by default and the backup AWS and SendGrid is here. You can add new sending servers as well if you got a new one. So it is totally configurable, as I said, and by default these are already configured. So this is a very important notification delivery settings, huge system settings servers. So this is a standard setup. Users subscribing to this plan do not have to care about how emails are actually being sent. So this is definitely clear from the user end. And email delivery is managed by the administrator. It means if you are owning the solution, you, and it's transparent to users. So you can configure these sending servers. So in the plan sections, it is all available. So you can add new plans as per your requirement, what you want to offer. Currencies you can set, like you can offer the solution in multiple currency. Add new currency option is also here. And the tax settings, so what is tax applicable, what is applicable tax, so you can create and country-wide tax. Invoice template, how you want to send and what are the parameters you want to add in the invoice. That is for customers, so what they are going to get. And this is very good. You can use short codes, of course.
So all settings, OAuth, we have seen the customer plan and admin sending. So these are the sending screen, sending servers. You can set here, as I said. So again, this is a route through which you can set the sending servers, and you can also create the sub account. So this is the main screen where sending servers are being configured. And in the sending server, as I said, you can configure unlimited sending server wherever you have taken the subscription, and those platforms should offer bulk email solutions. So these are the sending limits and all. So you can edit the existing configuration and add new servers as well. So these are configuration, and you can add the existing one. So all the basic and the prominent sending servers are already configured here. So you can choose what you are offering here. In the sub account section, you can create sub accounts who are going to use the solution, and bounce handlers are here, feedback loop handles, email verification servers. So just in case if you are offering this solution. In the admin area, you can create system users. I mean, in addition to use who is going to use this solution, and you can even create admin groups for this solution. This is all about the admin area, where you can set the system and how you are going to use the system. So this is basically for super admin, and super admin is going to control the solution in every manner. Now this is the login screen for users, I mean, who are using the solution, your customers. So the user dashboard shows the basic things for users, what up to what action they have already used the solution, and what is the state for their campaigns, like the sending, recipients, deliver, failed status, and all these details and logs can be seen here. Like, and definitely you can open the logs and check the bounce rate, how many emails has been delivered. Like, as an user, you need all these reports, and you can check all these details at your dashboard only. System users can create bulk emails. So this is the screen where the campaigns can be created, and the campaign creation is the main function for sending bulk emails. So create campaign option is here. So the users can use the regular or plain text campaign, and once the user choose the campaign type, that like regular or the plain, and the basic configuration starts like 30,000 new commerce leads, 50 tools, to which list. So we definitely, the users are going to create their list and to set up. So at the next step, the setup state comes and the templates is to be chosen. So users are going to configure all these things and schedule, track opens, track clicks, and all these things. Like entitled email subject can be written here, this from name, who is sending the mail, and reply to all these basic things, and template as is shown in the admin screen. So template can be chosen, and the email campaign can be scheduled, and further confirmation can be done. So this is the campaign setting screen, and this is the main function that users are going to use for their email marketing campaigns. Further, for users, there is a very good solution, automation emails, like a series of promotion emails. So users can set up the automations and triggers. So how many emails and at which state the automated email can be sent as user ID. So user can set up a trigger as action that starts as an automation. For example, the system can trigger an automated email when someone subscribes to your audience or purchases a certain product. So these are some test cases, use examples. So the users can set up new triggers like welcome new subscriber, happy birthday, a specific date, and all can be set it up. Like let's say happy birthday. So users can set the before day and date and time. So it is perfectly going to work. So this is automated mail. List, as we seen in the campaign area. So these are the list where the system users are going to create new list, so that the list-wise campaign can be run. So in list can be created here, the existing list I can show you, and the stats. So subscriber segments and enabled form pages, edit list, and the import export. So these are the email list. Basically, the number of emails and the email data is to be uploaded here, because you might be the users might be sending multiple emails to a certain list, I mean certain group of customers or target audience. So list is another important part for running a successful campaign. So this is overview, setting screen is here, and all the details can be fields, the subscriber, the segments, form pages, manage list fields, and the email verification. So list creation is again very important. Contacts is the thing where the user data can be kept and the contact or new subscriber can be added directly here for further usage in the system. Segments are the part where the marketing segments can be created, marketing, sales, or whatever is required to send. So segments can be created. Forms gives user to create form like form with dark banner. So form builder is also here in case the form is required over the mail campaign. So form can be created here, and the form builder gives additional advantage to create the form according to requirement, and the form is going to be very configurable. Like this is form builder and this is the list. So form can be created as per requirement, and this is a very good thing. And open pop-up and all these options will be available for users while they are creating form for campaign and for email users. Overview is a thing where the basic things of the system can be seen, and similarly list, contacts, and all forms. So templates is again here, and the system users can decide the templates. They can create their own template as I discussed in the admin part. So the existing templates can be directly used, or user can create new templates, or they can use Pro Builder for creating the templates. Sending is a configuration type thing where the users can decide the configuration domain, so from which they are willing to send the email. So DKIM settings can be done here, and the domain verification. So domain verification request goes to admin. So this is the very clear things. While you are creating campaigns, so you need to set the sending domains just in case if you are willing to use use the system using your domain. So the users can also blacklist the list. So blacklist list can be seen here. Integration is a part where the users can connect their website, and this is again a very good thing. And manage connection is a thing where the existing connection can be managed. So this is complete end-to-end email marketing solution. And as I shown, there are two parts, the admin part and the campaign part. So you can also explore the demo at your own end. And this is going to be a perfect solution for setting up a digital business, or even if you are running campaign for your marketing purposes. The script is available at Code Canyon through the video description link for $69. And if you are thinking how you can set all these things, you are not very technical savvy, don't worry. We are going to help you all around in setting up this solution for you. You just need to buy the solution through the video description link, that is an affiliate link, and get in touch with us through the comment section or with the form that is available in the description. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for you through which you can start working smartly. Even new things, new web technology can be there, or you can explore new digital business options for setting up your digital business. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, thank you.